to the next video on regarding to HTML. So I opened this screen for a reason. I want to show you how HTML works in your browser, and then how you can be seeing this view in the background, how it's done. Okay, so you just anywhere here, right click and inspect. Then in this page, so basically this thing pops up in the bottom, so let's just scroll it up. Okay, so here, so over here, you see Amazon, right? I just opened this Amazon marketplace. So you see this logo, and then this input here, and then sign in on the right side, and then the cart, and then the bottom here you have the navigation system, right? Navigations, the photos, and all this grids. So if you want to take a look how you can see is done, so if you just select this box here with the arrow, just hover it over, just click this again, and then it will show you what you're dealing with here. So it's telling you here div, so we're gonna learn about we'll learn about div in a little bit. So div id is like attribute, where you can, if you want to change how the styling and all that, so you can use uniquely this key. It's called id. So nav logo, so it's telling you that anybody can read this, any developer see this and understand it, the name of it. So inside of this div, which is like you're dividing your code, div, so inside of here you see this tag here. It's called a tag or anchor tag. So this uses it's like you're just using this link to put this logo here inside here, href. So this is like a link where you just placed in like PNG or any kind of file, like a picture file or logo in this case. So you can take a look, you can look around, like you can just, if you want to just use this, look at this picture, right? If you want to see it, then inside of this div you have image, img, and then all this attributes you can just put in here. So this, my recommendation for you is to start with this Chrome is like the best browser out there. I use it all the time for work as well, so I just want to help you with that. So elements is like where HTML uses, and then you can also see the CSS part of it. So they use this, so if you highlight in this section here the image, which is this part, so it tells you the elements of CSS part of it. So maximum height is like 100%, height 100%. If you go down here, position is absolute, so top right and all that CSS uses margin. Okay, so this developer tools will absolutely be your friend if you're debugging or any kind of work you do, or if you want to learn that. So I just want to help you with that for this video, and I'll get back to the HTML part next. Thank you.